Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you are fine. I'm fine too. Alright, so here we are with assignments of session 7 and 8. There are many queries, there are many confusions what students face. Okay, it's fine. See, grammar is not easy when you go in depth. Okay, so don't worry. We will learn by our mistakes. Alright, okay, so without wasting the time, let's come towards the topic. I shared two worksheets. First worksheet I shared in session 7 and second in session 8's assignment. Okay, so here we are with the same topic, article. We use article before a noun. Okay, then we have two types of articles, definite and indefinite. Indefinite are and definite is the. We use and indefinite article when the noun is unknown and the noun is singular. We use a definite article with the noun and or the noun which is introduced before the noun which is specific. Okay, so these were the points we learned, and on the basis of that lesson we try to attempt our worksheet. So there was some confusion, no problem. So let's go one by one. There were some common mistakes what I have discussed today, what I am going to discuss today. So first worksheet 1, in the worksheet 1, question number 2, the first very confusion was hour. Students wrote something different, which was correct. So remember, it is H and it is H, but the sounds are different. We pronounce it hour. So if we pronounce hour, so we use N. The sound of hour, it is not hour, it is hour. Okay, it is a vowel sound. That's why we use N. And when we pronounce house, so there is H sound, house. So that's why we use a house. Here, I guess so. Okay, next, European country. Now students wrote an European country. No. The European country is starting with E, but the sound is not of E. It is not a vowel sound. It is European country, ya sound. Okay, and ya is not a vowel sound. So that's why we use a European country. A European country. Okay, there was one more confusion. Okay, we will discuss in the next example. Dash green apple. Now students, what do you think? A green apple or an green apple? There is a little misunderstanding. We use an with apple, an apple, but see, it is not only apple, it is green apple. So you have to focus green, not apple, green. You will focus G of green, not A of apple. Okay, so G is, yes, consonant sound. So we use a green apple, not an green apple. Okay, next, airport. Of course, airport starts with a vowel sound, so we use N. Okay, remember again, when we have a noun equivalent, means a pair of words which are used as a noun, so we have to focus the first word, not the second word. Okay, good. Question number 4 in worksheet 1, true or false. Okay, an expensive university. Will we go with university or with expensive? What we will consider, expensive or university? Of course, expensive. And expensive is starting with the vowel sound, so it is true. We will not focus on university. No, an expensive university, the first word. Next, and uniform. It was a bit tricky. Uniform starts with U. U is a vowel letter, but it is not providing here the vowel sound. It is not producing vowel sound. So we use false. Fine. Uniform is not giving the sound of vowel. It is same like university, uniform. Okay. Next, an orange book. So orange vowel sounds, we say it is true. Got it? Alright, next. We have worksheet 2. It was bit difficult in the initial stages because they are each article was mixed up. And there are some cases where we do not use articles, so it was a bit difficult. No problem. Let's see our mistakes and later we'll discuss how we are going to control or how we are going to solve our problems. We'll discuss it later on. Okay. In worksheet 2, question number 1, option number 5. She is dash honest person. Now it is H letter, but the sound is vowel. Honest, not honest. It is honest. So the sound is H is silent. Okay, H is silent. So we use an honest person. Got it? An honest person. Okay. Question number 2. There are many confusions. No problem. Majority students mad, but let's learn from our mistakes. Question number 2, option 1. Chinese is a difficult language. I have just concise the sentences. Okay, I did not write complete sentences. Just focus on it. Focus on the sense or the rule. You have to focus on the rule. There can be different examples, but the rule is same. Okay, rules are limited. So I will tell you the rules. What is the rule applied here? Chinese is a difficult language. Why we did not use the? Student use the Chinese. No. Remember, Chinese is a language, and with the name of a language, we do not use article. There is no article. There is no article. Chinese is a difficult language. You don't use the Urdu, the English, the. Okay. If you want to use, you can say the Chinese language. Okay, that is equivalent. The English language. Okay, but alone we don't use. Alone, the Chinese language. Okay. Journal's army. Yeah, here it was the Journal's army. Why? Because here the Journal's army is specific. It is a specific army, a special army of a specific person. Okay, there is a specific person, or we know that person. So that's why we use the, because the we use when the noun is introduced before. Okay, we are specifying it. It's a proper noun. So the Journal's army is specific. We know it because we use the when listener and the audience know the noun. Okay, I like to play basketball, and my parents gave me basketball. Here both words are same, but the answers are different. Remember, students, we have different words in English, and mostly one word has many usages. One word is used in many places differently. We use one word differently. For example, I play guitar. Okay, play is here used verb. Okay, please on the play button, or please push the play button. The play is here as the noun, play. That button is called play. Okay, so play verb, play noun. Same like this, there are many words in English which are used as noun, which are used as verb as well. Here, basketball, they both are noun here, but let's see. I like to play basketball. Here, basketball is used as sport. Here, basketball is used as sport, and remember, we do not use any article to this sport. The basketball, no. The cricket, no. The football, no. Okay. Here, my parents gave me a basketball because that is an object. Okay, a ball, a cricket bat, that is an object. But alone, when we use it as a sport, we don't use with the sport. Yes, we can use it with an object. Okay, the object, the basketball or the football. Okay, or a football. She is prettiest good. It is very simple. Prettiest is the superlative form of adjective. As we discussed, like the best, the coolest, the worst, the best, or you can say the most handsome. When we have the superlative form of adjective, we use the good, better, best, pretty, prettier, prettiest. So it is prettiest, superlative, use the. I have borrowed money. Yeah, it is very interesting. What do you think? What will we use here? The, a, or an? A or n we cannot use because they are non-countable nouns. Money we cannot count. Yes, we can count the currency, but we cannot count the money. So it is now talk about, now there's a confusion, the or no article. We will use no article because we don't know which money. Yes, we can use, for example, if I want to use the, I can say, please give me the money which is there. The money, because we are that money, the money, okay? I have the money my brother gave me. So if I have, if that noun is introduced before, I can use the. If noun is not introduced before, we don't use any article. I live on Orange Street. No article. Because with the name of street, we don't use any article. No article with the name of street, okay? The dress is wearing, okay, I have spoken the. Because here I mean that the dress, because the listener or the audience, we know the dress because she is wearing it. So the dress she is wearing is blue. It means that it is known to the listener and known to the speaker, right? So here we are. If you have any confusion, I've gone a bit quickly. If you have any confusion, you can ask me in the comment section. I will describe in detail, okay? Question number 3. We have Jim, an old friend of mine. Because the writer is discussing Jim first time. The writer is speaking to the listener. Listeners don't know who is Jim. So we use it first time, we use an old friend. Okay, not God, not the old friend. Good job. Job is a common noun. Okay, and the writer has not discussed it before. You have to keep two things in your mind. Number 1, countable or uncountable, or number 2, common or proper. So it is common and it is not new. It is very new. We use a good job. Next, biggest. Same rule. Superlative, bigger, biggest. So we use the. City. Yes, city is a common noun. Like I live in a city. But in that case, what we have in the worksheet, if the city is specific, special or known, like for example, I live in City of Lights. I say I live in City of Lights. Now City of Lights, of course Karachi, so whatever you use, I live in the City of Lights. Because that city is known to speaker and the listener. But when the city is normal, like that is a common noun, we use are. So same like that, the city was specific because it was discussed before. We use the city. The confusion is, the problem is with the same word. We use and the. So that creates a problem. So you have to keep the rules in mind. Where you have to use an or a, where you have to use the, and where we don't use the, where we don't use a and or the. Okay? Keep in your mind. Slowly you will understand. Honest, of course, I discussed before, it is not honest, it is honest. Surfer is one, and it is a noun first time, so it is a surfer. Waves is plural, so we use the waves. Okay? Because the writer discussed surfer. Surfer means they go to the seaside and they surf on the waves. So it was discussed before, means it was the second time, and this is plural, so we use the. Easy life, singular, so we use an easy life, one. Okay? Beautiful surfer. It was discussed first time. Okay? So we use a beautiful surfer, not surfers. If it was plural, we use the. If it is singular, we use a. A couple of months. It is months, plural, but couple is one. Like couple means I need two. Couple is treated as a one word, as a noun. So we use a couple of months. Okay, a lot of money, a lot of months. We treat it as a. Okay, let's wind up and discuss it very in shortened way. Where we don't use article, no article. Okay, keep in your mind. Okay, keep these points in your mind. Number 1, name of street, no article. Name of continents, no article. The Asia, the Africa. Name of countries, the Russia, the Pakistan, the India, India, Pakistan. Don't use if name is given. See, queen. So it is a queen. Queen Elizabeth. So we don't use article. Okay. President Obama. No article. Okay. If the name is mentioned, no article. The school name, if it starts with name of person or place, the Oxford University. Sorry, the Oxford. No. Okay. If I say the University of Karachi, okay, the Karachi University. No. Okay. So I guess you got it. Tips. Final tip. After learning all these, you have still confusion. You are confused what to do and what not. So follow these tips. When you are attempting a question to yourself. Number one, is this a common noun or a proper noun? Common, proper, okay, common, done. Is this a general or specific? It is common, it is general, or specific, special. Tick. It is count or non count. That's count. So when you have these three answers, it will be easier for you to answer whether it is a, an, or the, or no. I hope you have learned these things. If you have any confusion more, you can ask me in the comment area. I will share one more worksheet to improve more, so that you could learn, you can remove your mistakes. It's enough for the reviewing the assignments of session 7 and 8. Thank you so much. Before going, if you haven't subscribed my channel, do it right now. Take care. Hafiz.